Today I'm going to teach you how to make ice cream with just 2 ingredients. Let's start by adding a can of condensed milk to a pressure cooker and add water to cover the can. If you prefer, add a tablespoon of vinegar so that your pan doesn't turn black. Now, just cover and leave it on the fire for 30 minutes. When the 30 minutes are up, let's remove the can, put in a container and add very cold water so that this can cools down very quickly. Here, our dulce de leche is ready, but if you prefer, you can use the dulce de leche ready-made. In a blender, we will add 400 grams of cream. Also add all the dulce de leche. Now just cover and leave for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, just turn off and pass out the content to a serving dish or another container of your choice. It's ready, and if you want you can take it to the freezer, but I prefer to refrigerate it first and leave it for 3 hours, and then heat with a mixer to get very creamy, but this part is optional. If you don't have a mixer, just put in the freezer and your ice cream will be ready. If you are going to use an electric mixer, let it beat until the mixer increases in size. After increasing, just turn it off and go back to the container again. Guys, a tip I always give is that when you cook your beans, take advantage of it and also cook the can of condensed milk so you save a lot of gas. Freeze for 6 hours and our ice cream is ready. Super creamy and delicious. Make this ice cream at home. The kids will love it. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe here from the Pure in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.